Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Duncan Hines signature perfectly moist carrot cake. I also have the Duncan Hines whipped cream cheese frosting. So the ingredients that we're going to need are 3/4 cup of water, 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and I'm also going to be using Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray with flour. To a large bowl, I'm going to add in my cake mix. Okay guys, I wanted to show you, if you look right here, they have some dehydrated pieces of carrots. You see the orange, it's all throughout the cake. Next, I'm going to add in my eggs, vegetable oil, and also our water. Now I'm going to take my hand mixer. I'm going to mix our batter for 2 minutes. Okay guys, this has a nice little spicy scent to it, like a holiday scent. Okay guys, I have 2 8-inch pans. I'm going to spray that with my Baker's Joy. I'm going to set my oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to add my batter to my pans. Okay guys, so you want to make sure that your cake batter is even in both pans. I'm going to place them into my 350 degree oven for 22 to 26 minutes. Okay, so our cakes are out of the oven. All you want to do is put a toothpick in the center. Comes out clean, it's done. So we're going to let them cool off before I put them onto a wire rack. Okay, now I'm going to let the cake cool off completely. Now that our cake's cooled off completely, you can go ahead and frost it. Okay guys, so I cut into the cake, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's nice and fluffy and moist. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. Okay guys, so from 1 to 10, I will give it a 9. The cake tastes really good. It has a nice light spicy flavor. You can taste the cinnamon and nutmeg through it, and as I said, it's nice and soft and moist, and the cream cheese icing adds a nice sweetness to it. You can also taste the dehydrated carrots in there, and it's a really good cake. So guys, yes, I would definitely buy this cake again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?